Okay, champ. Show me what you got. Stay in the green to start off right. Okay, now this is important. Don't... Oh, wow. Good. Now remember, you can change lanes whenever you want. Won't slow you down. Hit that ramp just right to get a boost. And, you know, because it looks... Oh, yeah. Styling. Hey, 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 look, crates. Crack them open for goodies. You obviously know what you're doing. Now, here's your goal. Get ready to meet it, greet it, and defeat it. Was a masterclass in speed. What a haul! Now that you've earned some coins, let's head to the garage and... I got an idea. Use those coins you earned on a shiny new upgrade. Nice! Remember, you gotta keep upgrading. Let's do this. Are you ready? That ought to be useful. Show me how you do it. Yeah! Oh, you make it look easy.